And I said, fucking hell, what you doing? What happened? You tell me. And you know, like I was in the nights, I was sleeping that time, you know, and then like my wife, she was literally crying, like you need to, you can't do that with us, like she's pregnant and she's due next week or the week after, you know, like.
The baby's due next week or the week after,
And like my sister, she's living with us, she's Down syndrome.
Okay.
And they are on the holidays nowadays with mom and dad, you know, and.
But sorry, Jamil, they pushed past you to get into the house.
Yeah. And after they pushed my wife, like my wife was, before she was sitting on the stairs, and when she stand, the guy who was the man in charge, I have his car reg number, because when I called the ambulance, they were running away that time, and the guy, he don't want to give his name as well. I said, what is your name? He said, no, everything is on the paper, everything is on the paper. They will keep saying that, you know. And the guy,
he was the sheriff, was he?
Yeah. So he literally pushed my wife, and my wife, she fell outside.
His name Gallagher.
Hold on, his wife fell and she's gone in
my
an
wife,
ambulance.
she fell outside the house, you know, like, you know, there's a step to go inside the house.
Yeah.
So she couldn't control because she's pregnant, and you know, she was in this situation. You're just taking a house in a minute and everything is left inside. We have a few cats at home, like as a pet, you know, like we don't know where they are, and you know, like all this happened. After that, I called ambulance, and they were thinking that we are not very serious, and then I called them again, and meanwhile the guards, they arrive. Guards arrive after.
Did
everything
you call
happened.
the guards?
Because I don't have the phone. They call the guards. I think one of them. They called the guards because they were not giving my phone, you know.
And remind me, Joel, did the guards? Hold on, the guards.
Because,
took his phone.
You know,
No, his phone was in the house. The guards actually told you they'd arrest you.
Yeah, the guards say that, well, whatever happened according to the law, you are not allowed to even stand where you are in the car park even. If you try to go inside, you're gonna be arrested. Ali, don't do, Baba. No, don't do that. They say you're gonna get arrested if you do. And the guy, one of the guard, he keeps repeating the same sentence. I said, will you please shut up? You need to shut up because I need to see what's happening. My wife is there, and you know, I need to arrange everything. Where I will go now? We don't know where you're gonna go. We don't know. That is not our concern. Our concern to make a peace here. I said, do you think this gonna be like a peace here, like that you evict, where you are helping them to evict me from the house, and you're supporting them? And I told you what happened with what they did with my wife, and they say, oh, these things you need to complain in the sheriff office. We can't do anything.
Yeah.
That's an assault on your wife.
It is assault. Definitely, what they did with me, that is assault, and what they did with my wife, that is crime. She could lose the baby, you know. It could be life-threatening thing, but they did, you know.
Yeah. Tell me about the phone. Did you have your phone? Have you videoed any of this?
No, because my phone was in the house, and I told them, like, I need my phone. They don't want to give my phone, and they don't let my wife go upstairs to get my phone. They give my only phone when the sheriff was gone. When all the trauma what they did is gone. And you know, when they knock on the door, before, I have a CCTV outside, facing out, the wire was out. The wire of the camera was out. I say, so you did that? So I don't have any evidence what you're doing here. So no, which wire? We don't know which wire. I said, how it's possible? The wire that is clipped in and taped over. It's impossible, like anybody can take it out just like that.
Yeah. So okay.
Yeah.
They
Now
destroyed
the thing about it, Michael, is these people are aware that we have put them on notice, both the solicitors for the receiver, for Ken Fennell, and also the sheriff are aware that we are taking a motion in the court either tomorrow or on Monday.
Yeah.
So they pressed ahead and did this regardless, and this is all on foot of an order that they got that we weren't aware of.
Yeah.
So anyway, thank you, Jamil.